Hey everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. Today we are going to talk about how we can password protect our blog. Let's head over to the dashboard. And from here, we will move to the settings and in the general, click on it. And let's scroll down to the security section. Here you will see password protect your publication. If you turn it on, it will give you another input where you can put the publication password. So for now, let's put PASS1234 and save this. Once this is saved, let's head over to View Blog and see the site is now password protected. If I put any wrong password, maybe like PASS123 and submit, it should not open. You have entered a wrong password. So this can be really useful if you want to hide your publication until you feel it's ready for public. So if someone has the password, they can easily access it by putting it here. And they get the access to it. They can access all the posts and everything. So this is how you can easily use the password protected feature for your blog.